Hey, Shadow, you wanna guess what I got? What'd you get, Sonic? Alright, come on out!
Bonjour, my name is Chef.
See, Shadow, we have our own personal chef.
What? Why'd you get a chef?
I don't know. I just kind of found him on the street and he said, chef for hire for free.
See.
Sonic. Don't worry, he didn't say he'd rob us, maybe.
I would like to see the kitchen now.
Oh, yes, right this way. So, what do you think? Well, all I have to say is,
No! 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 Unwashed dishes, salted pepper. Is that really the extent of your spice rack? Pathetic! I can't cook here! I bet there's no sauces in this fridge whatsoever! Okay, there are sauces in this fridge, but that doesn't change anything! I request a better kitchen!
fine, we can go to Amy's house.
Okay! I mean, see. Oh! That other house doesn't even have a good kitchen either! Don't you know how to have a good kitchen?
It doesn't matter. We're not like professional cooks or anything.
Ah, whatever.
And just stop complaining of being a whiny butt and do your job.
What do you want me to cook?
Ooh, that is a good question. How about some chicken sandwiches?
Chicken sandwiches? Are you serious? Nothing more complex like the cuisine, Shut up!
No, just some chicken sandwiches.
Fine.
Hey, I'm cool and tough and stuff, yeah?
Sure.
Yes!
Ah, yes. Time to make some chicken sandwiches. Summer time! Now, all we need is some cheese. Okay then, now to get the bowl. Ah, there you are. Ah! What happened? Where did the cheese go? It was right here. Ugh. Now to get the microwave bowl. Alrighty. Okay then. Is this some sort of sick joke? I guess I'll have to get the last pack of cheese. Well then, time to go get some other ingredients. My cheese. Aha! So it was you! I want cheese! No, you can't have my cheese. It's my cheese. Yes. Ah, yes. Ah, yes. Ah, yes. Ah, yes. Ah, this. Ah, this. Ah. You must take it and never give it back.
Okay.
Take back my cheese! Hey, give me back my cheese! But you said I have cheese!
Are you seriously kidding me? How about this? How about I give you... How about we trade? How about you give me this cheese, and I'll give you some special cheese.
I want special cheese!
Ah, yes. Ah, here we go.
Where's my stringy?
Oh, yes, yes. Okay, let's see.
It would be cheesy!
Ah, yes, yes, very much. Oh, I want special cheese. Perfect. Okay, I'm warning you. Do you really want this cheese? Yes, I want cheese. Okay, then here's the cheese. Here's the middle one. Well, I missed. Ugh, I'm going to need some help. Sonic! Sonic! Ugh, what? Is the chicken sandwiches done?
No, they are not done.
Then why'd you call me in here?
Because there is a problem.
I don't see any problems.
What I do is over there eating my cheese.
Oh, that?
Yes,
So what do you want me to do about it?
I want you to help me get it.
And?
Just help me get it.
And
I need your help.
And why do you want my help?
Because I can't do it.
I'm sorry, it's your problem.
But Sonic, get back here. Sonic! Well, listen here, you little birdie. You give me that cheese or else. No, I want cheese. Fine then. Take it. Take the cheese for all I care. Sonic!
What?
Your... Oh, it's not good cheese. Your chicken sandwiches will not have any cheese.
I didn't even want cheese on them.